Hey, it's Jeff from Tiki Drinks at Home. Now, if you like Bahama Mamas and you like coffee, then you're going to love this Bahama Mama with a coffee kick. So let's start things off with 1 ounce of light rum. Followed up with ½ ounce of coconut rum. Pour that right in the glass. And now banana liqueur for a little fruity flavor in this cocktail. ½ ounce of banana liqueur joins the party. ½ ounce of grenadine. Now you can use store-bought or you can use homemade. Either will work, but remember homemade is always best. And our secret weapon, coffee liqueur, 1/4 ounce into the glass. And now it's time for our mixers. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and I'm rolling an orange, so that can only mean 1 ounce of orange juice. Now fill your shaker tin up with ice, and we're gonna pour in the ingredients because we're gonna shake, shake, shake to make it nice and frosty. Grab your favorite cocktail glass and pour in the cocktail. Now we're gonna top it off with a little lemon lime soda. Grab a spoon and stir that up a little bit. And then finally garnish with a pineapple and cherry. And get ready to enjoy this amazing Bahama Mama with a coffee kick.